Hello, friends and family. I hope you are doing fine, and please allow me to welcome you guys on this channel to prepare together this simple and delicious recipe. I have 4 medium potatoes already peeled and washed, so I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces or smaller parts. I'm going to try to cut them into cubes like this. After cutting my potatoes, I'm going to put them into boiling water. You see, I already boiled water, and then I'm going to add salt, and after adding salt, I'm going to add my potatoes and then let them well cooked. So I'm going to cook on high heat. Once the potatoes are well cooked, I'm going to remove them from water, or I'm going to drain them and then put aside, and then I'm going to start cooking other vegetables. In a pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then I have minced garlic. I'm going to add them here, and then I continue stirring like this, and I'm going to add some onions and some carrots. After adding all these vegetables, I'm going to add some seasoning. I'm not going to use a lot. I'm going to use salt. I'm gonna add salt here, and then add some coriander seed, like 1 teaspoon of coriander seed, and then continue cooking. I'm going to add tomatoes here and continue cooking at low medium heat. Once my tomatoes are well cooked, I'm going to add boiled potatoes and continue cooking at low medium heat. And here you can add some seasonings again, especially if you have dried herbs. You can add them here. I'm going to add dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, and then add some black pepper. After adding all of those ingredients, the last ingredient I'm going to add is cheddar cheese. This is 1 cup of cheddar cheese. I'm going to add them here, and then after adding cheese, I'm going to turn off the heat and then cover my food and let the cheese melt. So this is how I prepare my potatoes with cheese. Delicious and simple to make, and I hope you guys like it, and see you next time. Bye.